What's the meaning of cape? Cape. Cape.
Cape. Cape. Cape can refer to multiple things, but generally, it refers to a sleeveless garment that drapes over the back, shoulders, and arms. It can come in different styles and lengths, from short capes to long flowing capes. Capes have been worn for both practical and fashion purposes throughout history and are still popular today in various cultures and events, such as superhero costumes or formal attire. They can provide warmth, protection, and a touch of elegance to any outfit, making them a versatile and timeless accessory.